Seemingly overnight, our forests have turned into green corridors. All of this new foliage has created a great place for animals to perch and prune themselves. And it also supplies a bountiful food supply for herbivores. Unfortunately, the overall increase in plant life means an increase in poison ivy. Interestingly, many animals aren't affected by it. Some herbivores actually eat it. Unfortunately, we human beings didn't make that VIP list. Take it from someone who's experienced it, stay away from this stuff. I'm sure that made you all feel like taking a shower, so let's visit the marshlands where there's plenty of water. This time of year, waterfowl are quite busy raising young. They need to eat enough to support both themselves and their growing families. While I didn't run into any ducklings or goslings, I did get a good look at a house sparrow nest that is active in my vent just about every year. Including one year where a snake slithered its way into the vent and ate all of the birds. Speaking of which, I encountered all sorts of reptiles, including these massive snapping turtles. A lot of these behemoths were leaving the water looking for dry places to settle down and lay some eggs. Though this young lady may not have chosen the best spot. Of course, there were plenty of insects out and about, including beautiful butterflies, lumbering clumsy beetles, and scavenging ants making the best of a bad situation. I also found an insidious infestation in a flooded flower pot. These worm-like creatures are mosquito larvae. In warm weather, mosquitoes look for any body of water to lay their eggs, including a flower pot flooded by a rainstorm. Although I find these creatures interesting, I find their adult blood-sucking form to be quite irritating, so with much regret I drained the flower pot, and I would suggest that you do the same before it's too late. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment below, click that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and check out my Instagram where I have all sorts of cool wildlife pictures. That's about it. See you guys next week.